Algebraic expression. So the definition of algebraic expression it is given: the combination of literals and constant by the sign of fundamental operation like plus, minus, multiplication and divide is called an algebraic expression. That means suppose x plus 3. So this is an example of algebraic expression. Now we know that in an algebraic expression there should be a literal and a constant. So here one should be the literal and the other should be the constant. So here this x, it is known as your literals, or you can say variables also. Generally the alphabets like x, y, a, b, p, q, all the alphabets are known as the literals, and they does not have a fixed value, and the constant part is your 3. So this is your constant which have a fixed value. So this combination of literal with the constant by fundamental sign, either it may be plus, minus, into, divide. So here we have used the sign. This is the fundamental operation. So this combination x plus 3 is an example of algebraic expression. So where x is the literals, 3 is the constant, and the operation is addition sign. Now this is an example of an algebraic expression. Here this is a literal 2xy, 3x, 5, and this is your constant, and the operation is plus sign. They are combined. So this is an example of algebraic expression. Now in this algebraic expression, literals are your x is there, y is also the literal, and the constant term. This will not be a constant term because a x variable is there. This will also be a constant term because x and y two variables are there. Variable means they does not have a fixed value. The value may changes, and the constant part in this expression is your 5. This is a constant part which is a fixed value. It does not changes. Okay. Now in this expression we have total 3 parts. One is a 2xy, one is a 3x, and the other is your 5. So each part is known as your terms. So what are the terms here? One is a 2xy, another is your 3x, and the last one is your 5. So each individual part of an algebraic expression is known as the terms. Next part we will discuss from this term, that is known as factors. Now 2xy means 2 into x into y. So what are the factors? 2x and y are the factor of 2xy. Similarly 3 into x, factor of 5, 5 into 1. So all these are the factor of the given terms. So this is the algebraic expression where the literals and constant are combined by the fundamental operation addition sign. Here literals are x and y, constant is your 5. So this is in your expression. Now in this expression each part is known as your terms. Now or when you split these terms you will get the factors of that given term. Next is your like terms and unlike terms. Now like term means what? If the terms has the same literal. For example, one term is your 3xy and the other is your 5xy. Now look, the literal here also xy, here also xy. Then these two terms are said to be your like terms. And the very simple way, unlike terms, the literal will not be same. Suppose in one term it is 3x, in the other it is 3xy. Now here it is xy, but here it is only x. So since the literals or the variables are not same, they are said to be unlike term. And when the literals or variables are same, they are said to be your like term. Next, depending upon the terms, the algebraic expression is divided into three parts. One is your monomial, one is your binomial, and the other is your trinomial. Now, monomials means what? The algebraic expression in which we have only one. Mono means only one term is there. So suppose 3xy. So it is 3xy. It is an algebraic expression where it has only one term. So it will be a monomial. If there is two terms, 3xy plus 5y. So here two terms are there. So it will be binomials. Binomial means two terms. And the lastly it is trinomial, that means three terms. Suppose 3xy plus 5y plus 2. Here one term, two term, three terms. So it is said to be a trinomial. In trinomial, three terms should be there, and you look it, the term should be unlike. And you look it, in each the expression, each different term should be unlike. Here it is xy, here it is y. Both are unlike. xy, y, unlike. So the term should be unlike. Three different unlike terms is said to be your trinomial. Two different unlike terms combined together is said to be your binomial, and only one terms are there, it is said to be your monomial.